In this tutorial, you'll create a modern infographic timeline in Photoshop using custom shapes to represent sequential events. Open a horizontal canvas suitable for a timeline. Draw a long rectangle for the main timeline path. Place evenly spaced circle shapes on the line to indicate milestones. Use the Type tool to label each milestone with short descriptions. Add vertical rectangles or polygons above each circle for extra annotations. Insert small arrow shapes to guide the viewer's attention along the timeline. Duplicate milestone elements behind and slightly offset for depth. Refine spacing and alignment to maintain consistency. Zoom out. The infographic timeline now looks professional, readable,